Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar app. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on the month above and tap on the date that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event from the list. Now adjust your event however you want to. Over here, for example, you can add a title. Then click on this little section with your email and click on the best option for you, in my case events. Then select starting hour and starting day and ending ones. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next to all day. Then, to change your ending date, just click on it and select the same as starting one. Save your changes by tapping on OK. Now you can click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every week or year. If you don't, just click on Does Not Repeat again. You can also select Custom from the bottom of this list and adjust it however you wish to. Then save it by clicking on Done at the top right corner. Now you can add people, choose Add Location, and select Allow in the pop-up. Then type in an address and click on the correct one. You can also add conferencing over here and set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. As always, you can always click on Custom and adjust it. Then select Done. Now pick color of your event to stand out more, in my case peacock. Add some attachments, take notes, and finally save it by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes. You can always discard them by clicking on top left corner and selecting Discard, or save them by hitting Save. Then tap on the best option for you and click on Save in the pop-up. You can also delete your event completely by tapping on it as well, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner of it, choosing Delete at the top, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!